Oh, I got a brown?
Dude,
oh my god.
All right, let me get my camera.
Dude, I've never seen those spots like that red before. What's going on, guys? Today we are at the Bitterroot River in Montana. We just spent all day fishing and we're probably gonna wrap it up pretty soon, but we had an epic day. So yeah, stay tuned. Today I'm going to be using a San Juan worm. The thought process behind this is because it's a little more flashy, so I think the fish will be able to see it better in these murky waters. Yep, got one. I swear, and I just put on the San Juan worm. No joke, dude.
Yeah, he's beautiful. Yeah. Nice little rainbow.
I just caught another. First cast. Oh, he came off. No way. I got another. Oh my god.
Ooh, brown. He's brown. Oh, look at those orange spots, dude.
Dude, I had so much slack out on that. Did you see me? I went.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's go.
You got one? No way. Dude, no way. There's so many fish here.
Oh my god.
Wow,
So that's why it's a 4 out of 5 day.
that's like fish tank size, bro.
He's so small. Oh my god.
He doesn't even have
it's a cutthroat.
Oh yes.
Our first cutthroat.
Nice.
All right.
First cutthroat of the channel.
Finally.
They look so similar. But that's definitely a cutthroat. Oh no!
Whatever.
Are you serious?
It's a tiny dude.
Oh my god. Oh, whatever. Dude, I almost caught him too.
I know, that Russ almost got it out of the water.
You were trying to catch it with your hands?
Yeah, I almost got him, dude.
Oh my god.
Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Yeah, I got another! You've got to be kidding me. It's pretty decent too. Oh, it's a cut.
Oh, it is cutthroat. Yeah! Oh.
That's on the bigger side for
Yeah, dude, he's a pretty fat one, dude.
He's got chompers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right at the end. Oh my God. I'm the whitefish king, dude. I'm the whitefish king.
It came up. Yep. Oh, this one feels nice. Yeah. Woo-hoo.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's a super fun day. As soon as it started picking up, it really started to pick up. If you liked what you saw, please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. See you on the next one.
Peace.
Later.